So in this video, I will show you how to create glow text in CapCut. After you open the CapCut, go to text and now insert the text timeline. So now here is my text. Now select the text. After you select your text, so go to this text basics, the basics, then scroll to down. If you scroll to down, so here you'll be able to see where it says shadow. So click on this shadow, check on it, and click on the arrow beside. So if you click on the arrow beside, it will give you all the features. So the first one is now click on this option to change the color. So go and select the glow. So now here is, as you can see now, I have now the glow on my text. If you want to increase the glowiness, so just click on the arrow beside the shadow, scroll to down. So here you can increase, if you want, you can increase the, and here is the blurriness. So now if I take to this side, as you can see now, the blurriness is increasing on the text. So if you want to change the distance, you can change the distance of the text in this option. So now you can go ahead now and customize the text. That's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe if this video helps out.